how to show or hide story replies notifications content on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it easy and quick. First click this hub icon here in the bottom and then click these three lines and now click settings, then scroll, click notifications, the first one, and if you can't find it here just scroll down and then scroll down again and click story replies, and here you can manage it. As you see, you can select none if you want, and that's it. Here you can show it or hide it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.